We gotta go further.
No.
Hello. It's horrible out here, isn't it? Hey, come on, babe.
It's fine. Where are we going?
We're going into the water.
No.
I'm coming. Come on.
Take your own umbrella. I'm going back in.
Really? You're such a chicken. Christy's going back in. I'm under the umbrella. It's pretty scary. This is our storm drain. It's just wild. Whoa, there goes the tire. Okay. That's crazy. This is just ridiculous. Our whole street is just washed right out. I'm going back in. That poor lady. My feet are frozen. Oh. Let me in. Okay, take the umbrella. Wait, how does it work?
I'll undo it.
Okay. Whew. Say hi to everybody.
Oh my lord.